Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. A beautiful piece of art. Smile at your struggles and accept it's just part of being human. Don't allow your struggles to control your mind and heart. When you make peace with it, you learn the power of letting go and allowing Source to shine through you. Accept you're a work in progress, destined for greatness, meant to leave a mark on this generation. Accept life's imperfections while knowing it's your choice to create a beautiful piece of art. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's powerful. I believe this. I believe if you look deep down inside into your heart, you'll always be happy. And let go of the ego. Let go of those things that irritate you, make you irritable or offend you. Don't worry about those things. That's just ego. Let it go. Things happen. Grow from it. Learn from it. That's how I look at things. I believe if you look into your heart and follow your heart, you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.